Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, the beginning of the trading week, May 15th, 2023. Let's find out what is going on the Forex calendar today. As you can see, we got plenty of data scheduled for release. Australian data already were released overnight, building approvals and Westpac consumer sentiment. Together, there is a Eurogroup meeting all day long in Europe. So we are going to have some remarks from the officials of the Eurozone. Moreover, we got the industrial production data scheduled for release at 11 a.m. And we got European economic forecast scheduled for release at 11 o'clock as well. Moreover, 2:10, German BUBA President Joachim Nagel will give a speech as well. So we'll definitely take a look at the euro-dollar today. More data coming during the New York session. Housing starts and wholesale sales from Canada scheduled for release 2:30 New York Empire State Manufacturing Index is scheduled for release at 2:30, and then we got some speeches from FOMC member Bostic, FOMC member Kashkari, and Bank of England MPC member Pill. So this is the situation for the Monday, the beginning of the trading week. Well, let's find out what's going on the euro dollar at the beginning of our technical part. So what do we have here on the 4-hour chart of the euro dollar is definitely some sort of the downside movement. Let me just guys move the RSI a little bit lower. What's the situation on the momentum? Momentum is bouncing from the extremely overset conditions, right? So we went below the level of 30. Now the market is trying to bounce. So during this movement to the downside, we hit the level of 1.0849 and we broke out from the potential wedge pattern. I've been telling you guys about this pattern possibility for quite some time. Let me just show you guys this situation here. So it's something like this, and the upper line is possibly, it's a flat line, basically a little bit skewed to the downside. Nevertheless, it's still, let's say, it's the orange, thick orange line here. So that's the wedge, and the outlook from the wedge was a breakout to the downside. So we are moving lower. We are moving out of the potential wedge. We tested the lower wedge line, and now we hit the level of 1.08. Let me take a look. Where is the lowest number? 1.00 is the lowest level. 1.0846. There you go. This is the lowest price we got, and that's just above this technical support here, and this is just above this technical support here, 1.0789. So where is the intraday technical resistance? Because we might see some sort of the bounce here. Definitely this resistance might be situated somewhere here around 1.09 and 10. So that's the technical resistance. So even if there is some sort of the movement to the upside, we should see increased bearish let's say activity around this level, and then push to the downside again. So this is how it looks like on the euro dollar. Let me just take a screenshot and we are done. So that's the euro dollar. Outlook is bearish, possible bounce coming in. Let me now take a look at the US dollar to the Canadian dollar, because we are about to receive some data from the Canadian economy. So what do we have here? It's of course quite simple, because we got, you know, swing high, so that's the resistance. We got another resistance just below this level, so 1.3338, 1.3666. this is the supply zone, and now I'm trying to place, there you go, this is the short-term trend line. So it looks like it's a technical market, because all of the levels and lines are being respected for now at least. So what do we see here? is increased bearish activity. Moreover, we almost hit this level of 1.3582, so that's the technical resistance, and the market has been trying to move way above the technical resistance here, 1.3529. It did, but then of course it was stopped. So where is the next technical support? The key technical support is of course at the bottom of this move, so that's the level here, 1.33. There is one more level if you take a look here from the lows made on the 8th of the May, 1.3314, so that's only 14 pips away. Nevertheless, some intraday technical support might be helpful, and I think that the support should be found around 1.3493. So that's the one level of the support, and the second level of the support is located somewhere around 1.3405. So the outlook remains bearish, and we are moving from the extremely overbought market conditions to the extremely oversold market conditions. The market is trendless, a little bit skewed to the downside, so that's the situation on the US dollar to the Canadian dollar. Gold, what is gold doing these days? So let's take a look. All-time high $2,080, so this is definitely a big resistance levels made after the all-time high, and now we are going a little bit lower. Where is the next level? I think around $2,059, so that's another zone here we got on the gold. And since then, every attempt of movement to the upside, as you can see, is apparently failing. Is failing because the bears are hitting the market and then pushing the market down, pushing the market down, pushing the market down. So looks like the bears doesn't want this market to go any higher. Local technical resistance 2021, and another technical resistance might be placed somewhere around 2040. The key technical support is located around 1069, and there is one more level at least around 1000 and let's say, there you go, 73. So as long as we trade in that very narrow zone, I mean, this is like almost $100, so maybe not that very narrow. Nevertheless, it is narrow zone. The outlook remains bullish. Actually, outlook remains bullish. However, bears are getting much more active above 2040, $2050 per ounce of gold. They are just pushing this market lower and lower and lower. So they are still active, they are defending the zone, and we might see some increased bearish activity if the market will break above 50 or 100 periods moving average. Okay, so this is a 4-hour time frame chart, so please again stay very focused on the gold market these days, because if we zoom out, we can clearly see that this market is trending. Yes, look at this. This is obvious. This market is in the uptrend. However, the 2050, 2080 dollars per ounce of gold is a problem for market participants. So this market is being pushed to the downside by the bears. Very nice technical support here, and any breakout below this technical support would likely result in another push towards the extremely oversold market conditions on the 4-hour chart. So please stay vigilant, stay focused when you're trading gold market these days. That's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.